Good morning. It is July 20th. You're probably wondering what's going on today. If you read the Longbow arrows, you know Netflix is one of the reasons why the tech is down, Nasdaq's down. It's also pulling down the S&P because obviously when tech's down, that happens. Dow is up, oil is up, 10-year at 3.854%. But let's head over and understand, you probably read all about Netflix, what's going on. Their obviously top line is soft, but they had really good subscriber and other numbers. So what do you do from a technical perspective? So if you like it from a fundamental or don't like it, let's tell you where the technicals are so you can make a decision on what to do today. So right now I'm going to head over there and you can see I've got Netflix set up for you. The closing price yesterday was 477.59. Last price, at least when I had this up, was 434 and change. So it is just at the low end of the trading range. So pretty much you can assume that it's at the low end of the trading range, and you're going to get a buy pretty darn soon. It'll be fluctuating throughout the day. So your odds significant to the upside, right? 10.8% ups to very little down because you're at the bottom end of the range there. Bullish momentum short term, bullish momentum medium term. So it's really then coming down to fundamentals. So you're either believing in the story that when they're going to reduce password sharing, they're going to make more money out of that, and they'll people today are just throwing it out because maybe they were playing for a really big beat and didn't get it. So we're looking at the technicals. It would be a buy from that perspective. The macro regime, you can see here, you're seeing growth and reflation. So a Goldilocks and a reflation. You're not in the deflation camp, not in stagflation camp. And so, tech tends to do well in that kind of category, and communication services as well. So from a macro perspective, it's aligning with it as well. Let's check in with the Qs too, in case you're just looking for overall on tech. What do we see? Middle of the range. So again, it's bullish. I don't have to tell you that. But odds are only 1.2 to 1. So you're sitting in the middle of range on tech. It's really Netflix pulling you down. And if you're looking at SPY, because obviously it's pulling down, sorry about that, pulling it down there too, again, middling of the range. So nothing to do today unless you're really thinking about picking up individual assets during earnings season, which is really what you should be doing, is thinking about, is there something you want to own or get out of? And depending on the fundamental news and then the market reaction, what do you do? That's it for today. If you have any questions, let us know, and we'll be back tomorrow.